Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can search through your Shopify store to figure out which product is using which product page template. Now this is super important for the Shopify stores like Shopify Plus stores that are high volume and have a ton of products. I needed to figure out how to do this recently, and I figured other people that have Shopify Plus stores would probably need this as well, so let's get it. Okay, so when I was dealing with this problem, I was working on a customization to a product page template for a Shopify store that I do work for called Hive Brands. Hive Brands right here, right? This is an example. So when I was working on the store, I had to make changes to a product page template, but we have over 3,000 products. So I had no idea which product was using which template, and I needed to find an example of a product using that template I needed to make changes to, and I was really struggling to figure out how to find a product using specific templates. So I looked it up on Google, and lo and behold, I found a post, can I search for products by theme template it is using? And there's an answer for this in this post, but I figured I'd make a video about this so that anyone that wants to see something visual to do this can get something visual to help them out. Okay, right now, you're gonna open the Shopify theme customizer for your Shopify theme. So you're gonna go into your Shopify theme, click customize, and you're gonna switch the template up here to the product page template. As you can see, we have a bunch of product page templates, right? So the first template we have is called default product. Every Shopify store has that. If I were to click where it says change, I can pick from a bunch of different products that use this template. Since it's the default, most of our products use this template, but we have a specific template, for example, called gift card, right? So we have a gift card template that we use when we're selling gift cards. Now this template doesn't have many products in it, so it wouldn't be hard to figure out what product uses it, but this is just to illustrate the example here. So when you switch to a specific template and you hit change, it says in the admin right here, assigned to 2 products. So if I hit change on the product being shown, I can click where it says assigned, and I can see which products are assigned that template. So let's switch to a different template just so we can see. So let's say we switch to a template called Fast Bundle, right? If I click change and I look on at assigned, I can see which products are assigned that template. So for you high volume stores out there, if you're trying to figure out which products are using which product page templates on your store, this is how you'll do that. Now, I haven't tried this with other templates, but I'm pretty sure that this will work for any resource inside of Shopify. So let me see, let me just check. All right, hold on. Yep, pretty much anything that you have multiple templates for, you can go in and you can see what's assigned and what isn't. So this would be really helpful for people that have a whole bunch of different templates for different things. So hopefully you guys found that helpful. If you did, like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below if this was a useful video, or if it wasn't, let me know. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you on the next one.